So let's move on to the room tour, and please show your support by clicking subscribe and turn on the notification, and like and comment down below. Thank you. Let's start with this box, which this box contain some random stuff, which is my keychain and my box of plastic, this bottle cover, and my tapes, colorful tapes, decorative one. And then in this box it contains jute rope and some cute eraser. I bought it because it's cute. So let's keep these things in place again. And then this is some plant for aquarium actually, but I use it for some DIY. So this is my dustbin, and move on to these drawers. In the first drawer it contains my random stuff, which is in this box contain my decorative tape. This is my memo pad and whatnot, and then have some plaster and my cotton pad that I cut off. This is my canister zipper bag that I use for my journals. And then we have some other decorative paper tape, my A5 notebook. It's so beautiful inside for my journaling. This is also a notebook Pokemon. This is my pouch bag, which contain my wallet inside it. And this is my random stuff containing some cute paper that I like to put in my journal next time in my next video. And then let's keep things back in order. In the next drawer we have some plastic that I keep for DIY purpose, and my highlighters, and then the cute one still highlighters, and my notebook. I bought it from Dinso, tapes and empty inkjet, and then cute memo pad. And then here I got my random stuff for my phone camera, monopod, tripod, and so on. And this is stickers and memo pad. We got notebooks, Hello Kitty, and then sticky notes, pouch, and other random stuff. In this I put my personal belonging for hygiene, and move on to this. In this flamingo bucket we have some speaker, and then spray, golden colors, and my umbrella. And this is my random stuff, stickers and whatnot. And here is my books and my art book for manga. And this is my colorful marker pen and random stuff. And here is my books. And this one is from journalist Zan Azli, Operation Nasi Kerabu. And then my other books. And here is I put some a dry flower. I want to put it into vase somehow later. Wait until it dry first. And this is my collection of pictures I like for my journal. And this is my journal. This is the contain in it. This is the zipper bag. I use it to put some stuff. This is for drawing, and then habits and whatnot, and other notebooks. And here is some lotion, correction tabs, my pants. This is what I DIY, and I put pen in it. This is my pencil case and my random stuff. I put clips on it, and here is books, and here is plastic place, and this is my mini board for my notes and my drawing and arts and whatnot. This is a fake plant and also board for my hobbies, and a picture, Full Metal Alchemist, a poster, and then this is mirror, and this is my random stuff. Got small mirrors and paper clips and other notebook. Then we move on to this table. This is the overview of it, and then this is a mirror, another mirror from Ninso, and this is my random stuff. I got tissue, pens, chalk, and my layout, and move on. This is I bought in Ninso, and then my lamp and tapes, and this is my table lamp. I use my power bank for its source of energy rather than batteries. And then this is my night routine, and my mask, plastic that I keep because it's so cute, and BB cream, and my essence, my cream and whatnot. Got some memo pad, and in this box we've got some random stuff. Toothpicking, and this is my beautiful box that I bought from Ninso, and then some fake plant, and this is my cards holder, and no, it's card, I don't know what to call it, and this is my sticky notes and mirror again because I like some cute mirrors, and I bought it a lot because it is so cheap. I bought it from Super Safe, Ninso, and so on. My makeup brush, and this is my eyeliner. I bought it from Ninso in and it's only cost 2.30, and why not? It's cheap. This is Huda Beauty brand, but it is good and cheap. This is from Ninso, everything. And this is my mate, eye roll, and so on. And this is mirror again, and some earrings in it, and lotion. And in this drawer we got some thumbtack, push pin, and here is my tudong pins, and then here is my watch, and this is very essential stuff, which is measurement tapes. I use it for online shopping purposes and measure, think, and imagine. And here is my cotton pad, and then sponge, and this is my broken compact powder, Vaseline, and cream, and powder again. Onto here we got some hand fan and perfume, and my comb and random stuff, perfume again, and mates, and another comb. And then this is my food box, and then this drawer contains many stuff. Let me show you guys. This is my glue tape and its refill, and then got some headphone and my pouch, and this is my card holder. And then move on to the second one. We got some hair dryer, tissue, my pills, bag, and cotton pad refill. And this is contain my skincare and emergency box and whatnot. I put wheels on most of this drawer because it is easy to clean. And move on to here is my prayer mat and Al-Quran and whatnot, my helmet, my clothes, and this is my fake plants. I put it in my bottles that I reuse, cycle things. And here is my lights, colorful LED lights and books, and my printer, my fake flower, and my clothes, my pants, tudung and whatnot, my bags, sling bags, my clothes again, and fake flower again, my shoes, my slipper and whatnot. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and till next video. Bye bye.